We're here today in Lynnfield, Massachusetts with Catherine Soderberg, President of Soderberg Insurance Services. Ms. Soderberg is going to talk to us today about the best way for Massachusetts and New Hampshire businesses to optimize their business insurance coverage. What is the best way for those organizations to optimize their business coverage?
Actually, Mike, I wanted to speak specifically today about workers' compensation insurance, a very important business concern for all business owners. Here in Massachusetts, as you know, workers' compensation insurance is required by all businesses who have employees. I wanted to talk about three very specific things that businesses can do to control their workers' compensation insurance costs. The first point that I wanted to mention was review the policy, be actively involved when the policy is set up, and review the policy once it's issued. Make sure that the business classification is accurate. Make sure that the classifications of the employees of the company are also accurate. If a company has employees that have different functions, they should be verified because there's a different rate depending upon the type of work that an employee does. Probably the second item that a business owner can and should verify in terms of his workers' compensation insurance is the audit. The audit is done on an annual basis. Once again, it's a chance for the employer to verify that the classification of his employees is correct and that the payroll within each classification is also correct. Very important that the audit be done timely and that the audit be accurate. The third item that a business owner should be very vigilant about in terms of his workers' compensation insurance is that of using the insurance. And we advise our customers not to use the workers' compensation insurance for small claims. That really goes, Mike, for any insurance policy in general. You don't want to use the insurance for small things that can happen. Those are best handled out of pocket. They're best handled, as we call, through self-insurance. Good to report the incident, the injury that perhaps occurred at the place of business. Handle it out of pocket, but put the insurance company on notice in case the insurance ultimately has to be used. But those are three very basic rules for controlling the cost of workers' compensation insurance.
Well, this has been very helpful indeed. Now, what's the best way for people who are interested in this to get more information about it?
For any of your listeners that would like more information, they can certainly contact me directly at Soderberg Insurance Services. Our website is www.soderberginsurance.com. That's SODERBERG insurance.com.
Well, thank you very much.